The new AirPods Pro 2 have been released, and as you might have heard, Apple was forced by the EU to switch to the iPhone's Lightning port to USB-C. And so the new AirPods Pro 2 have also followed this legislation. But did you know Apple changed more than only the port on the AirPods Pro 2 this year? In this quick overview, we will inform you about the significant differences between the 2022 AirPods Pro 2 and the new 2023 AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C. At the first glimpse, both AirPods Pro look actually the same except for the USB-C port on the bottom. So something probably you didn't think about is that you can now charge your AirPods Pro 2 with your iPhone 15. Other than that, the charging methods are the same. This includes MagSafe via USB-C cable or the Apple Watch charger. Okay, so in the box when you're buying the 2023 AirPods Pro, you will get of course the AirPods Pro 2, documentation, MagSafe charging case with USB-C with speakers and a lanyard loop, silicone ear tips in the sizes extra small, small, medium and large, and of course USB-C charging cable. So let's briefly talk about durability. Apple has always been an advocate for durability, and so they made some minor changes to the 2023 AirPods Pro 2. They now are better dust and water resistance, which means you can preserve the AirPods much longer. Next, let's cover the most important part of AirPods, of course, the audio quality. When we compare both the AirPods Pro 2 with Lightning to that with the USB-C port, some people seem to experience an improvement in audio and others don't. Some people are saying that the highs are a little bit more crispy, but personally I can't hear any huge improvements in audio quality. And with that, another small change is the support for lossless audio when connected to the new Apple Vision Pro, which will be released in 2024. Apple updated the chip in the new 2023 AirPods Pro 2 so you can now seamlessly use the AirPods with the Apple Vision Pro. This is of course an interesting little fact if you're in the market for the pretty expensive Apple Vision Pro. But yeah, as always, Apple is thinking a little step ahead. So to conclude, is it worth to upgrade? If you already have the AirPods Pro 2 2022, it's not really worth upgrading. However, if you have an older generation AirPods, let's say the AirPods first generation or the AirPods 2 or 3, and you're thinking about buying new AirPods, it could be interesting to have a look at these new 2023 AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C. These AirPods Pro 2 are a bit more future-proof, have improved durability and lossless audio for the new Apple Vision Pro. However, thinking about the fact that Apple released USB-C AirPods Pro 2 got me thinking, will now every pair of AirPods that is getting released, so maybe the AirPods Max 2 or a 4th generation AirPods, all come with USB-C? Personally, I think this will be the case, but of course it's up to Apple. And lastly, is Lightning for good going to die? I think it is, but some people are saying it isn't. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.